students, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we are going to learn about one of the most important revolutions in the world, the French Revolution. So students, do you know what French Revolution was? It was a period in France when the people overthrew the monarchy and took control of the government. It began in the year 1789, sparking a series of events led by the middle class, who revolted against the monarchy's oppressive regime. The revolution stood for promoting liberty, fraternity, and equality. On July 14, 1789, the revolution began in Paris with the storming of the Bastille. It was a fortress prison symbolizing the king's repressive power. The revolt escalated, leading to the fortress demolition. To understand what triggered the French Revolution, we must first grasp what France was like before it all happened. The king ruled over a monarchy in France. Over the people and the government, the king possessed absolute authority. But what caused the revolution to occur in the first place? The French Revolution was not caused by a single incident or circumstances, but rather by several events that created an ideal environment for the people to rebel against the monarch. Let us know the first cause, the social cause. France's population was divided up into three social levels known as the estates. The clergy were known as the first estate, the nobles as the second, and the commoners as the third estate. The third estate comprised the majority of France. People had very little opportunity to transfer across estates. This estate is usually the one that must bear the taxes. Next is the economic cause. Between the year 1715 and 1789, France's population increased from 23 million to 28 million, leading to a surplus demand for food grains. This resulted in a lack of production base, causing a price increase for rice. Most laborers in workshops did not receive wage increases or lower taxes, leading to a worst-case crisis known as subsistence crisis, which was common during the old regime. Lastly, the political causes. France, which was struggling financially due to years of war, was aided by Louis XVI in 1774, who helped the 13 American colonies gain independence from Britain, their common enemy. Despite facing financial difficulties, France remained resilient. Now, let us know the outcome of the revolution. The French Revolution significantly altered France's social and political structure, ending monarchy and feudalism and transferring political power from the Catholic Church. It introduced new ideas like liberty, freedom for commoners, the abolishment of slavery, and women's rights in the Europe. The revolution, which ended with Napoleon's rise, influenced Europe and shaped modern-day governments through new ideas and reforms. With this, students, we have come to the end of this topic. Let us try to answer some of the questions here. First, why did the French Revolution begin? Second, what was the social and political cause of the revolution? Third, what were the three estates of France? Fourth, what were the outcomes of the revolution? So I hope this was helpful and you have understood it well. Until next time, students, thank you and happy learning.